Healthcare in America, a wild ride of strikes, benefits, and billion-dollar buyouts. Let's dive into a shocking week that shows why the fight for your health shouldn't depend on your job. I'm John Munitz, and this is the Other News Spotlight. First up, Boeing is making headlines, but not for their aircraft. No, they've decided to play a game of who can make workers' lives more miserable. They revoked healthcare for 33,000 striking workers, leaving them feeling like a kid who just found out that Santa isn't real. Even Bernie Sanders chimed in, calling for, Medicare for all. Because, spoiler alert, healthcare should be a human right, not a job perk. Imagine that. Healthcare for everyone. No strings attached. Now, let's talk about why our healthcare system feels like a maze with no exit signs. In most wealthy countries, people aren't stressed out over a dozen different health plans and trying to remember if they have TRICARE or CHIP. In America, you've got Medicare, Medicaid, and what's next? Your Aunt Karen's personal health plan. It's chaos. And it all started in the 20s when health insurance was invented to help workers, not to give them migraines. And here's a plot twist worthy of a Hollywood thriller. Private equity. Governor Newsom just vetoed a bill meant to rein in these corporate health villains who are pocketing cash while patients suffer. It's like letting a fox guard the henhouse, except in this case, the hens are sick patients. A recent Senate hearing revealed some private equity-backed hospitals have become horror shows, missing bereavement boxes for infant remains. Seriously, this is not a horror movie, folks. It's clear the fight for our healthcare shouldn't be left to billionaires and corporate greed. We need a system that puts people before profits. Like a superhero cape, but for health. So whether it's striking workers or confused patients, let's remember, healthcare should not be a privilege. It is a right. We need to stand up, speak out, and push for a better future. Thanks for tuning in to this Other News Spotlight of the Political Reading Recap. I'm John Munitz, your host for news on basic income, democracy, sustainability, and more. To learn more about the articles we covered today, check out the newsletter for those details. Shout out to the subscriber of the week, Simon Jude. If you appreciated today's video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and then please share this video. Also, comment down below, what changes do you want to see in our healthcare system? That does it, folks. See you all next week with more Other News.